Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock Radeon RX 9070 XT Steel Legend series with dark variant. So friend, ASRock has introduced the opening wave of Radeon RX 9070 XT and RX 9070 graphics card model in Taichi, Steel Legend and Challenger. So friend, the ASRock brand new Radeon RX 9070 XT Steel Legend Dark 16GB model is listed on their website, and this dark variant roll out with the familiar Steel Legend shroud and backplate design. It's powered by AMD RDNA4 architecture, and the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT GPU features 64 common unit, 3rd generation ray tracing and 2nd generation AI acceleration, and AMD HYPR RX and AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, DisplayPort 2.1, PCI Express 5.0, and boost clock up to 2970 MHz and 2700 MHz, and the triple thermal design with unique strip ring fans and air deflecting fin and ultra fit heat pipe provide excellent heat distribution, and the metal frame and metal backplate and the ARGB fan combined with polychrome SYHC software allow user to customize and control the lightning effect. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.